Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Audi Q5 Bluetooth only way. Press the menu button, select Telephone, then Bluetooth settings to start pairing on the MMI. On your phone, open Bluetooth and scan for devices, then choose the Audi entry that appears. Confirm any passcode prompts on both screens and allow contacts and messages to sync for full functionality while keeping the car safely parked. Start at the MMI main menu and navigate to Telephone, then Bluetooth settings to add a device. Choose Search for New Device so the car broadcasts its Bluetooth name. On your phone, pick the Audi Q5 from the list, then verify the passcode matches on both displays. Accept any prompts to allow contacts and messages to sync, and wait for confirmation that the phone is connected before using calls or audio features. If pairing fails, restart both your phone and the MMI to clear temporary glitches and try again. Remove any old or unused Bluetooth pairings on your phone to prevent conflicts during discovery. If the car still won't pair, check MMI software status and consider a dealership update, because updated firmware can resolve stubborn Bluetooth compatibility problems and improve stability for calls and audio streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.